Today we are in the Heights of San Gabriel community looking at one of their largest one-story floor plans. This home is available now and it is in a really nice location because you don't have anyone directly to the right of you. You do have this retention pond and natural green belt in the back, and you also aren't going to have any neighbors behind you. This home has a 2-car garage and it is priced at $650,000, right at 3,000 square feet. One of my favorite features of this home is going to be the tall ceilings and the large one-story footprint. As we walk in, you can see you get this beautiful open entrance that leads all the way to the back of the home, and you're greeted by these absolutely stunning cathedral style ceilings with wood accents on the top. You have an open living room area that leads right into your kitchen. I like this kind of floor plan because you can see directly from the front door all the way to the back of the house, and it does give you a whole lot of natural light. GFO is known for having an abundance of windows basically all over the home. They give it a very lively feeling, and as you can see, it also has a lot of overhead lighting as well. As we stand here, this is going to be like a nice dining area where you could put a table, but it also has an island where you could utilize bar stools as well. This home has a very nice traditional kind of all white finishes, tall cabinets, this marbled countertop with the backsplash, stainless steel gas stove and range, sink, your dishwasher, a microwave and oven built in. As we walk back here, you're gonna get a built-in desk where you get a nice view onto the side. Like I was saying, there's no one next to you. And the laundry room. You even get a window in the laundry room, which is a very nice feature. As we walk over here, this is gonna be the primary bedroom. You get double doors, and you also get the high ceilings in your bedroom. Your bedroom has a view of the backyard with 3 symmetrical windows and this hotel style bath that's got a double vanity. As you walk in, a soaking tub and a walk-in shower. This very clean, modern marble white look throughout the house just makes it feel very luxurious. You can see it has the longer tiles in the bathroom and this giant walk-in closet. You could fit a whole lot of stuff in this, and you could even split it his and hers. I'm gonna walk back to the front of the home where I'm gonna show you that it does have an office and a guest bedroom as well. Here it is. This would be considered your office. It's got double doors, high ceilings. It does have a ceiling fan in here. You could also use this as a media room or a theater room. You could put a sectional couch in here, a computer, set up any video game consoles or a TV. So it is multifunctional. This is gonna be the garage area. And here's gonna be where all of your other bedrooms are. Same matching finishes throughout the home. You do get the same cabinet style and the same double vanities, and even the tall ceilings in the bedrooms. This is a really nice floor plan, especially for a one-story house. Right at 3,001 square feet, you can really feel all the space as you walk around through the home. And one of the advantages to this community is also going to be that it has a 1.81 tax rate, and GFO is currently offering a 4.99 fixed rate for 10 years, which means that even for a house priced at $650,000, you are going to get an affordable payment. So if you have any questions about what it takes to qualify for a home like this, what the closing costs are going to be, what the monthly payments are going to be, I'd be happy to guide you through that process. If you've been thinking of moving to Austin or Georgetown, Texas, I'd love to be your primary resource, send you more tours, or answer any questions that you may have. I can also get you pre-approved. But as I was saying, this is just a beautiful home that's available now. You could be moving in as little as 30 days. And since you have no neighbors behind you and on the side of you, you do get a nice Texas nature secluded feeling. Some of the amenities in this particular neighborhood are going to include miles of walking trails, a basketball and pickleball court, and you're also going to be close to major shopping such as the Wolf Ranch Shopping Center, and a lot of restaurants and places to go and things to do. Once again, if you're interested in moving to Georgetown, Texas, or have any questions, I'd love to help. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.